Tell me what I do to make this right. Pay sanctions in the amount of $5,000.
When this lawyer requested an emergency hearing but couldn't even produce his own client, the judge sanctioned him for wasting the court's time.
Just tell me why we're here today. You asked for an emergency hearing from my clerk yesterday verbally.
Yes, Your Honor. We're here today, Your Honor, because the court set the emergency hearing.
Because you requested one, sir.
Your Honor, what happened was,
You didn't appear at my hearing yesterday again.
if I may respond, Your Honor,
Please, I'm waiting.
non-appearance for yesterday. Short answer is that it was not on my calendar.
Were any of the other 6 hearings you didn't attend on your calendar?
Your Honor, I don't believe it was 6 hearings that I missed.
You want to go through the record again?
No, Your Honor. But Your Honor, what happened on yesterday as relates to a hearing, as the court is fully aware, there was a TI hearing in which was denied regarding.
And you're getting ready to go back to the ancillary and try to overturn me again, right?
No, I'm not going to do that, Your Honor.
I assure you, you're not.
So what happened, Your Honor, there's been communications between me, opposing counsel in particular, going back and forth and trying to get the matter resolved as the case would be. It wasn't until late yesterday that I was directed to seek, if it was possible, to go and see if we could have it modified. At that moment,
Why would I modify it after you've had 6 weeks to modify it?
Your Honor, I was instructed to do it by my client.
Where's your client? I instructed him to be here today. Where is he?
I have no
I'm
idea.
about to issue a bench warrant. Where is he?
Your Honor, I have no idea where my client is at
Okay.
this moment. But Your Honor, may I explain?
You may not. I'm asking where your client is. You don't know.
Your Honor, if I may explain. When I called in the court advised that we had an emergency hearing scheduled for this morning.
At your request,
I advised my client of the emergency hearing on his status conference.
that he was ordered to appear at.
By the time I got the order and tried to reach out to him, I could not reach out to him.
Why don't you contact him right now and see where he is?
If I may, Your Honor.
Absolutely. We'll do it on the record.
This is probably the 10th phone call that I've made.
Does your client want to prosecute this case anymore, or should I dismiss it?
No, yes, he does, Your Honor. Your Honor,
Where is he?
I have no idea where he is.
Go find him right now. Mr. Rhodes, any luck?
No luck in contacting him.
It's clear to me your client doesn't want to prosecute this case. Why didn't you appear for 6 weeks? And then you appeared last week on Friday. You didn't appear yesterday. And now again this morning, you're requesting emergency relief from this court.
As I mentioned earlier, I did not appear yesterday because the hearing was not on my calendar.
Tell me what I do to make this right for everybody else in this courtroom that has spent their time and money this morning.
I don't have any suggestions, Your Honor.
All right. Well, I do. You're going to pay sanctions in the amount of $5,000. Get out of my courtroom now. And those sanctions are payable by you directly, not your client. Get out of my courtroom. I need a bench warrant. I want him arrested.